Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good today. So, as many of you know, I actually graduated with my master's in Homeland Security. And so in my program, I learned about cybersecurity, of course, hacking, cyber terrorism, and all that. And just so you guys know, moving forward as far as like our wars, people always say like our past wars, Germany, World War II, the future wars will be literally fought on the internet via, I guess, cybersecurity, but via hacking. And today I'm going to discuss a thing that we call in Homeland Security. It's called phishing. And not like fishing for fishes. No, it's P with a P. So, if you guys ever gotten an email, and for example, I have Bank of America, and I've gotten tons of emails from Chase, and I don't even have a Chase account. I've gotten emails from Apple saying, hey, somebody logged into your phone in this time. And I'm like, what? Or, in this case, somebody wants to give me $7,000. Publisher Clearinghouse, PCH, as you can see the logo, $7,000 a week for life. Yeah, I'll take that money. But just by looking at the email, it's odd. Yeah, Deborah Holland, all this, it's odd. But let me tell you guys exactly how it works as far as the key indicator. So, whenever you guys get an email, again, giving you free money, again, if you won't have Chase and they're offering you to click on this link to renew your account, or we have a Target gift card for $1,000 or whatever, here's how you can tell. So whenever you get the email, you want to click on the email from. In other words, this is the person who sent you the email. And there it is. As you can see, the email was sent to me by infomail at instantfinanceoffers.com. Is that pch.com? In other words, the clearinghouse? No. It's automatically, I can already tell this is a bogus email. Also, just so you guys know, look out for this. If you get any emails that end with .ru, that's Russia. .eu, that's, of course, the European Union. And most of the hackers, most of the people who are trying to steal your identity are in Europe. They are in Russia. They are in Pakistan. Why? There's no laws against them doing what they're doing. So these people actually have factories over there trying to steal your identity. So, again, when you get these fishy emails, especially all you folks, veterans too, when you get emails that are too good to be true, again, always click on the from, identify the email. Again, in this case, this is PCH, Clearinghouse. Do you see a PCH.com? No. If you don't see Apple.com, bankofamerica.com, it's all bogus, okay? Have a nice day today. Enjoy yourself. Stay hard. And again, don't get scammed by these phishing tactics. Have a nice day.